a lot of money for Mom.
Oh yeah? Who's it from?
That is that.
It's from Tia Laura and Uncle Roger.
And what's good?
What kind of book is it?
I don't know.
Oh, what about the other book?
Horses. I didn't have horses.
Do you like horses?
Yeah.
Pick up the horse book. Let me see the horse book.
I don't want you to pick up the horse.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, but there's still more money on the floor.
Okay, I'll pick them up. Are you going to get them?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's so eat. Tomorrow, Mom can get here tomorrow when she gets new money.
You can get new money? Okay, put it on the table. Show me the horse book.